totally freaked out.
Hang on. Okay, we're leaving Anacapa Island, headed for Santa Cruz. There's Anacapa. There's Santa Cruz off in the distance. A lot of fishing boats out here, though. The fishing bite must be great, because there are boats. I've never seen so many boats out here.
That's at the tournament.
Yeah, there might be a fishing tournament or something this weekend. But as you can see, the sun is out. Beautiful sunshine. The ocean is flat, calm. Slight breeze blowing, but we're sailing dead into the wind right now, so we got the motor running. It's currently 10:15. We made good time getting out here today. A lot of company out here, though. There's Smuggler's Cove and Yellow Banks. And that's it.